As we age, our digestive system is more sensitive and less tolerant of food combinations. Yogurt, usually touted as a superfood, contains probiotics that feed the good bacteria in the gut, enhance immunity, and help with digestion. Nevertheless, most elderly people unknowingly commit unfavorable food combinations with yogurt that quietly destroy the optimal good bacteria balance in the gut. These pairings sound innocuous, but if repeated over time, they can cause bloating, acid reflux, gas, and even chronic inflammation, not just in the digestion, but in energy and vitality as well. Perhaps the most ubiquitous error is consuming yogurt with sour fruits like oranges, pineapples, or strawberries. These foods are high in vitamin C and antioxidants, but when they are combined with yogurt, they make the stomach acidic. The acid destroys the probiotics, kills the good bacteria, and causes indigestion. The outcome is uneasiness, lethargy, and impaired gut environment that makes digestion difficult for the body to extract nutrients from other foods. Another deleterious combination is meat or fish with yogurt. They involve an entirely different digestive process than yogurt. Yogurt is digested rapidly, while meat and fish take a long time to digest. When they are eaten together, they remain in the stomach for longer than they should, causing fermentation, toxin accumulation, and inefficient absorption of vital nutrients. For elderly people, whose metabolic rate has already decreased with age, such a combination leads to fatigue, bloating, and discomfort in the digestive tract. Rather than energizing the body, it causes one to become fatigued, sluggish, and sick. Over time, these poor combinations can put too much stress on the liver and intestines, weakening the digestive system and causing inflammation and pain. Some elderly also commit the error of combining yogurt with cold, processed or packaged foods, particularly in the way of breakfast bowls or smoothies. Cold foods impair the digestive fire, the body's natural capacity for digestion and nutrient absorption. This depresses metabolism and results in the stomach holding on to undigested food. For sensitive digestive individuals, this results in bloating, constipation, or irregular bowel movements. Processed foods, however, frequently include preservatives and artificial additives that interfere with the normal balance of gut bacteria, negating the health benefits of consuming yogurt in the first place. Another underappreciated pair is yogurt with milk or coffee. These combinations are seemingly innocuous, but they upset the digestive system and produce heaviness, mucus production, and drowsiness. Milk and yogurt are both animal foods but of different natures. Combing them together produces a mismatch that triggers bloating and slow digestion. Coffee, being acidic and stimulating, also does not harmonize with yogurt's cooling and calming nature and causes discomfort or acidity. The secret is not to avoid yogurt, but to eat it wisely. Yogurt must be consumed alone or with highly digestible foods that complement its probiotic properties. Knowing how food combination works benefits elderly people in safeguarding their gut, retaining energy, and avoiding unwanted discomfort. By not indulging in detrimental yogurt combinations, elderly individuals can maintain their digestion, fortify their immune system, and experience more comfort and vigor in their daily activities. Yogurt can be one of the most nutritious foods for seniors if you match it with the right gentle, digestion-friendly ingredients. With age comes slower digestion and a more sensitive digestive system. So it's not only what you eat that's important, but how you put your food together. Selecting the proper pairings for yogurt preserves gut bacteria, enhances nutrient absorption, and avoids usual digestive issues like bloating, acidity, and weakness. Sweet, ripe fruits like bananas, mangoes, papayas, or dates are great pairings for yogurt since they counterbalance its cold and probiotic quality. These fruits are high in natural sugars and fibers that aid gentle digestion, providing quick energy to elders without exerting any pressure on the stomach. Unlike sour fruits, which produce acidity, these soothing fruits keep the gut in a correct pH level, with it being calm and balanced. While most elderly love to have yogurt with their meals, consuming it together with heavy food items like rice, fried snacks, or spicy curries puts excess pressure on the digestive system. Yogurt is digested quicker compared to high-calorie or oily foods, and when consumed together, it retards digestion, resulting in heaviness, indigestion, and gas. The preferable option is to consume yogurt as a mid-afternoon or morning snack, or even a light dinner as a complement of soft-cooked vegetables or whole grains such as oatmeal. If taken alone or with light, fiber-containing foods, yogurt provides its full benefits: optimum immunity, smoother digestion, and a fresh sensation during the day. An alternate healthy means of taking yogurt is by mixing in a wee bit of honey or a pinch of turmeric. These plant ingredients supplement yogurt's healing properties and ensure improved gut function. Honey brings gentle sweetness and antibacterial effects, while turmeric aids in reducing inflammation and guarding the digestive system. When blended, they form a healthy, balanced meal that fosters longevity and inner peace. Exclude processed sugars, jams, or flavored yogurts, since they have artificial additives that kill friendly bacteria and incite inflammation. The temperature and texture of yogurt also concern elders. Yogurt at room temperature is best eaten because cold yogurt weakens digestion and slows down metabolism. Adding a bit of warm water to yogurt for those with sensitive stomachs can make it even easier to digest. This little alteration avoids bloating and discomfort, especially when consumed in the evening. When older adults learn to make gentle food combinations, they cause their gut to function at its best. The gut has been referred to as the second brain because it influences mood, energy, and even memory. Digestion in harmony allows the mind to be sharper, the body to feel lighter, and energy levels to remain level throughout the day. Harmonious food combinations put less stress on the digestive system and make nutrients more bioavailable, meaning the body extracts more from each meal. Simple decisions such as combining yogurt with bananas rather than citrus fruits, or having it on its own rather than with meat, can be a big help. By paying attention to how they blend their foods, seniors can experience improved digestion, increased energy, and an enhanced feeling of well-being each and every day.